Do you need an agricultural exemption certificate for tax breaks? Imagine saving money on your farmland taxes just by having the right paperwork. Many farmers and landowners wonder if they need a special certificate to get those tax benefits. Well, in most cases, the answer is yes. You usually need an agricultural exemption certificate to qualify for tax breaks related to farming or agricultural land. This certificate is a formal document issued by your state's tax authority. It confirms that your land or business meets specific rules for agricultural use. Without it, you generally cannot claim the tax reductions, even if your land is used for farming. Tax breaks can apply to property taxes, sales taxes, and sometimes income taxes. For property taxes, many states offer lower assessment rates or exemptions for land actively used for farming. To qualify, you must prove that the land is farmed regularly, meets minimum size requirements, and isn't used for non-agricultural purposes. Once approved, you get a certificate or notice from your local tax assessor, allowing you to pay less on your farmland. For sales tax, an agricultural exemption certificate lets you buy items like seeds, fertilizer, equipment, and livestock without paying sales tax. You need to show this certificate at the time of purchase. States often requiring you to renew the certificate every year or so and keep records to prove you still qualify. Some states also offer income tax benefits for farmers. These might include deferring tax payments or claiming special deductions. Usually, you do not need a certificate for income tax benefits, but you must meet the IRS and state definitions of a farmer. That means earning a significant part of your income from farming activities. If you own farmland and lease it to a farmer, the tenant might need an exemption certificate to qualify for tax breaks on their purchases. As an investor or landowner, understanding these rules helps you set up leases and contracts that maximize tax advantages for everyone involved. In short, most farmers and landowners need an agricultural exemption certificate to claim tax breaks for farming and agricultural real estate. The process and rules vary by state, so it's smart to check with your local tax office and keep all your paperwork current. Having this certificate can make a real difference in lowering your tax bills and improving your farm's financial health.